Good morning, everybody. I am Vincenzo Mazzotta, and I am the Program Director of the International Master in Banking and Risk Management. This master has been designed to provide an in-depth overview on the banking industry and on risk management solutions. Banks are suffering a tremendous transformation thanks to digital evolution and AI. And this requires new skills and offers new job opportunities for professionals. I'm thinking, for instance, about the opportunities provided by open banking, according to which new entrepreneurs may launch startup companies in the Fintech industry to provide, for instance, new digital payment solutions which can simplify the relationship between banks and the customers. And this chance is boosting the development of e-commerce and also consumer credit. Regarding the employability of the master has been designed to enhance the mega trends which are characterizing this industry. That's why a potential participant in the International Master in Banking and Risk Management can become the future financial analyst or credit analyst in a bank. On the other side, it can become a risk manager in both a financial sector, but also in the firm. Because as I told you before, ERM, Enterprise Risk Management, is one of the key trends, and an expert on enterprise risk management is required by many firms in order to cope with the different levels of risks that any firms has to cope with, in particular if it works in an international environment. For achieving this goal, it's fundamental to design a very engaging master, full of practical activities. Because you want to fill the gap between the theory and practice. You want to provide competencies which can become abilities, which can be quickly applied in real life. And for instance, we will design an ethical dilemma game, according to which we will invite students to find solutions for solving controversial issues, for instance, regarding how to balance the need for maximizing profits for banks with the need for protecting customers and savers. Monte Carlo Simulation. Monte Carlo Simulation is a very sophisticated tool which is based on random sampling for assessing the likelihood of potential events. This is fundamental because when we talk about risk management, we have to find out solutions for detect, assess, and manage risk. And finally, business evaluation game. Because in particular in investment banks and financial advisory firms, working with business evaluation and M&A is one of the key activities. So getting the abilities to evaluate the firm, evaluate the synergies of an M&A operation is key for boosting the career in this field. So I finally invite you to join this master because as you can realize, it can provide you great opportunities for entering in a fascinating market which is totally open to the future.